Of our ice storm we had last night. All the trees are weighted down with ice, and then after on top of that we had snow. There's Nate's car old car sitting here, all weighted down, and I really want to get a picture of this fence. It looks really beautiful. All the snow and ice clinging to it. There it is, in our backyard, all the weighted down snow and ice on our pine tree. A willow tree that's covered with ice. We had quite a deal last night. Wires are all covered with ice and snow. Beautiful though, but we really didn't want the ice. Trying to dry out the bird feeder with my hair dryer. I had to put my feet in, and it was really wet and sloppy and a lot of ice, and had to chip it all off. Bad deal. Don't you ever look up when you're working?
What?
Don't you ever look up when you're working?